How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get six-pack abs at home intense tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So some things I want to talk about for getting six-pack abs is I want to show you guys, or I want to tell you guys exercises that you can do where it's not very common. Everyone knows about the flutter kicks, the leg raises, the ab crunches. They know about those exercises. So I'm going to tell you some exercises that you don't really know about that are extremely good for your abs. So what I found out is a lot of people that train their abs, they don't actually train them correctly. So if you're not training your abs correctly, you might not be getting the best workout, and in turn that might cause you not to get the best six-pack abs. So the first exercise I want you to do is I want you to get a dumbbell. Just pretend these are dumbbells. They're not, they're hand grips, but pretend they're dumbbells. And all I want you to do is grab the dumbbell and I want you to lift it directly over your head. It doesn't have to be directly over your head. If you're kind of scared about that, you can have it just like in front a little bit. It doesn't have to be like this. It can be like this, but lift it overhead and try to hold for 60 seconds. Basically, what this will do is anytime you lift anything overweight, one of the main muscles to stabilize that weight is your abs. So what I do is I will get about 200 pounds. I will hold it over my head for about 60 seconds, and that will be one of my ab workouts. The second ab workout is a farmer walk. Farmer's walk are one of the most intense exercises you can do. Not only does it build the traps, the forearms, but the abs, it is extremely good for, and the quads too. Quads, calves, it works those too, but your abs, because, so again, farmer walks, you just get a dumbbell in each hand and you just start walking. That's it. As you get stronger, you can use more and more weight. If your grip is slipping, then you can use wrist wraps if you want to. I don't recommend that, but you can if you want to. And yeah. Those two exercises alone, when I had my most chiseled six-pack abs, it was from doing those two exercises, just those two exercises. So that's what I recommend. End of video. Thank you so much for watching.